So I got this air compressor from a yard sale the other day and looked up on Amazon and was just going to get a new carburetor, but when I looked it up, I was able to get a new carburetor, new gas tank, new spark plug, new pull string, everything that you can think of for 50 bucks. So let's see if it's going to start. Probably ain't ran. I think the guy told me it ain't ran in 3 or 4 years, I think. It's been sitting in the barn. See what we got. No good. That'd help if I turned it on. Nope. Uh-oh. Well, it fired.